You need to watch this if you struggle with PCOS or PCOD. They sound similar, but they're quite different. Here's what you need to know. PCOS stands for Polycystic Ovary Syndrome, while PCOD is Polycystic Ovary Disease. PCOS is a metabolic disorder affecting the entire body, whereas PCOD is a condition where ovaries produce immature eggs. Which one is curable? PCOD can be managed and often cured through lifestyle changes and medication. PCOS, however, is a more complex condition and requires long-term management. How do you get them? Both conditions are linked to hormonal imbalances. Genetics, stress, and lifestyle factors can all play a part. Symptoms of PCOS include irregular periods, excessive hair growth, acne, and weight gain. PCOD symptoms might be similar but usually less severe, like menstrual irregularities and mild weight gain. Want more insightful health tips? Hit that subscribe button, and share this video. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.